So today is February the 18th. It is a Tuesday, and we are starting kind of a new unit here, changing fractions to decimals, and so on and so forth. This is today's worksheet, and the kids, we have plenty of time in class to finish it. It's kind of one of those things, the harder you work, you shouldn't have that much homework. So I'm going to kind of go through reteaching it, even though we've been talking about it a few minutes in class. Okay, so starting out, you take whatever is behind the decimal. You really should think of it, instead of saying 0.8, say it the official way is 8/10. That is the fraction, but then they want it in simplest form. So, 8/10, if I divide by 2, would be 4/5.
Is that it?
Okay, that is it for that one.
Because you can't divide 2.
Because you can't divide 4 and 5, right? Okay, number 11, I'm just going next to it. Okay, the big 2 in front means the big 2 in front of the fraction.
Can we divide by 5 on this one?
25 would be over 100. Now, better than 5. What goes into 25 and 100?
5.
Bigger. 25. Listen, quarters. So 25 into 25 once, 25 into 100 4. Now, that you could have done 5, you just would have had to do it twice. Okay, let's just go down. Okay. I'm going to go down to number 2 here. It says 8.6. So you keep the big 8 in front of the fraction, 6/10,
2.
and then by 2 would be 3/5. Okay. Now, on ones like number 12, you cannot just not do them. Write out the big numbers first. Yes, it is 265 over 1,000. Now, we talked about divisibility rules a few minutes ago. This thing ends in a 5 and a 0. So it's divisible by 5. Okay, guys, if you cannot do it in your head, you are going to have to jot this down. I've just been folding it. That way I can kind of keep it lined up. But you're going to have to maybe jot some on the edge of your paper. So dividing it by 5.
How come we can't use calculators for this?
Well, to be honest, I think on ACAP it is not calculator. So we're practicing without. So, 5 into 265 is 53. 5 into 1,000 is 200. Be careful. There's been a lot of just using the wrong factor, I guess. Okay, now please get with me on these. Okay, this is one of the repeating bars. So, we talked about it already, but you keep the big fat number in front as 10. Okay, because of the repeater bar, it's over a 9, and you copy the number behind the decimal for the 2. Then ask yourself, does it need to be simplified? No, so you're good on that one. The 9 comes from the repeater bar. Anytime you see a repeater bar, if there's one digit, it's a 9. Guys, look down here. Because I'm going to do a few more right now. Look at number 5. 5 is a 2-digit repeater. So when that repeater goes on, it would be like 18181818. So when you write that one, 18 would be on top, but on the bottom would be 99. Now, what simplifies 18 and 99? 9, right? 9 goes into 18 twice. 9 into 99? 11. Okay? Doing another repeater bar, I will go over, let's see, number 29. I know it's kind of weird, but I just get in the repeater bars. 29 says 9 and 0.4 repeating. So 9 with a 4 on top and what on bottom? 9. Any repeater bars, put a 9 on the bottom. All repeaters. But you just got to, if it's 2 digits, so look at the one next to it, number 39. If it is a 2-digit on top, you need 2 9s on bottom. So 2 digits repeat, 2 9s on bottom. Then ask yourself, can it simplify? By 11 would be 6 ninths.
And I can simplify 2 thirds.
By 3 to make 2 thirds, yes. Now, you are continuing to do this. Keep going. I'm going to do a few more up here. I'm going to start with 13, 14.
This is easy.
It is easy. Keep going. Basically, you are finishing this, and then I am checking it.
Yes, ma'am.
Please stop with the comments and just keep going. Thank you.
Are we going to have any, time test on these?
Not time test, no.
That would be hard. Are we going to have any more time tests?
I know we'll have one more, but I can't even remember what it's on. We usually do measurements this 9 weeks, but we haven't done it. Guys, keep going. Just keep going.